Hi, let's add a timer to video and freezing the timer wherever needed. We needed two videos for this edit, an original video and a green screen timer video that you can download from different sites. We added both videos to the timeline. The first video is a raw and has no edits. Then added the timer video and cut the video to the size of the original video and deleted the rest of the video. By holding down the Alt button and click on the audio, we can select and delete this option. Click on the timer video and change the size using the scale. From Effect window, search for Ultra K and choose it and drag on the video timer. Now select this option from the Effect Control window and click on the green part to remove the green part. Now we set the position and scale of the timer in the desired place. And in the opacity section, we set the resolution as a desired. We see the change and result. Now, the interesting part of the editing. We want the timer to count down and remain content when the ball falls into the basket. For this, you need to right-click on the video timer and clicking Edit Frame Hold. Now the video in this frame freezing, and we make a frozen frame. Thank you for being with us. Stay with us for more tutorials and subscribe to our channel.